After the telephone knocked me off doing the video to show you the recharge part, I explained to watch video number 1. This will be the video number 3. Now we're going to recharge. Somebody on Prius chat just asked me, I believe the way I understand, they could not charge a vehicle and they're trying to override an electric compressor. This is not a Prius, but electric compressor to help pull in, I guess, and charge the way I understand. I will find out more, but just to show them, and this is in many of my videos, it only takes like 30 seconds to recharge your car if you properly do your evacuation. It doesn't take long. Okay, so we're getting here. Turn off the vacuum. Okay, so now I'm closed and I'm ready to charge. Let me zero it out. My leg hit the thing. I already have 30 plus grams inside the hose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, why did I go past 4? Go, charge. Nope, didn't open. There we go. It's open, it's charging. Now I have no car running. And it's charging, it's charging. It's still charging. Got 95 there, 58 there. And there we go. Okay, so that's closed off, and that's how we charge. You have roughly 30 seconds. If you did not properly evacuate, and I mean all the way down below 500 microns, you will have issues trying to recharge many times. Not 29 inches, go down farther. And if you're using one of the big dumb square machines with the gauges on it, well, you're in a world of hurt.